Andy Thompson with Yetter Manufacturing here at the 2014 Farm Progress Show. We got a lot of things on display here. One of the things new that we're showing off here is what we call a strip freshener. We've actually had it out, trying it out here over the last couple years, and now we're actually debuting it as a new product. Really, the idea is this is goes along with our strip till, and so the strip freshener here is if you already have a strip till bar, if you're using knife type of unit, and in the springtime, or maybe we're just not getting our strips to dry out or quite as clean as what we would like. The idea here is this is a fairly low dollar item that you can get, and it's going to be, there's no knife on here, there's just going to be blades or just shark tooth wheels or the rolling basket. It's going to come back through, clean up your strips, condition your strips a little bit. In the front right here, we actually have a space where you can put an already existing residue manager if you want, or of course we can add a new residue manager on there as well. We can put whatever style of residue manager we want on there. We've got the parallel linkage, so the whole unit on your individual toolbar, every row is going to be following the contours, perfectly. Adjustable down pressure on that. On this particular unit, as we go down, we actually have the ripple blade on there. The ripple blade is one option. We actually have been running them with just our shark tooth, normally for residue management, but we've been putting them on there as well. And the ripple blade is going to do a little bit more cutting or something. The shark tooth wheel is actually just going to start to kind of break that loose a little bit. The next two shark tooth wheels back behind that actually have just a little bit of an angle to them there, and really the three in conjunction are actually just going to be going through there, lightly tilling the top of that ground, breaking it loose, helping to aerate that a little bit. This particular one right here, we also have the liquid tube on here. We've had some people that have actually been putting on a little bit of starter while they're conditioning their strip just ahead of the planter. So that one right there would lay down some 1034O or something like that while conditioning your strip here. And then the last part of this, as we go back, is actually the rolling basket. The rolling basket, we actually also help to use this as our depth control. And then your rolling basket, when you're out there traveling at 8 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour, the rolling basket then is just going to help condition that, break apart the clods, make sure that we have that nice and smooth for a very good ride coming for the planter, so you just have that strip perfectly ready to be planting into. So there's kind of a debate, I guess you could say, as far as fall strip till or spring strip till. A lot of people, say the knife versus the coulters. On a Yetter strip till unit, which I actually have behind me here, we actually have introduced a couple years ago vertical tillage blades where we can put on in place of the knife, and that makes it a pretty universal unit where you can actually, in the fall you can use a knife, and in the springtime you can use the blades. If you already have a strip till unit that you don't have that ability to be able to put wavy blades on there, you instead of actually going and buying a completely new strip till unit like what we offer back here, this here is actually around $1,400, and for this unit right here you can actually then put these onto an existing toolbar. They're not going to pull very hard, and it's actually going to allow you then to go out there and break that loose and help condition that. Obviously in the fall what we would like is to go out and make a perfect strip, and in the springtime just come back and don't touch that. But sometimes coming in here, breaking that loose a little bit helps warm that up just a little bit faster, and it's just adding to our strip till. And some people may even use it on some years, while on other years maybe the fall strips are exactly as we want, and we can plant right into them. But this is just helping somebody that already has the fall strip till tool, and then you can add this to another toolbar to run across real quickly.